if you're looking for a dumpster that is cheap and reliable near you. Introducing Dogs TX LLC, your local experts in waste management and dumpster rentals. At Dogs TX, we understand that managing waste doesn't have to be a hassle. We make it easy, convenient, and even a bit fun. Booking a dumpster has never been this simple. Visit our user-friendly website, explore our range of dumpster sizes, and place your order online, all from the comfort of your home. Our team is not just about dumpsters, it's about people. We're a local business committed to serving our community with a smile. No matter the project, whether you're renovating your home, clearing out an estate, or managing a construction site, Dogs TX LLC has you covered. For a waste management experience that's efficient, friendly, and tailored to your needs, call Dogs TX LLC at 512-962-2586 or visit our website at www.dumpsterdogstx.com.